Yo, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns, and today we're going to be learning how to draw Saitama from One Punch Man. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. Now, one more thing. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that right now. Awesome. Let's go get down to it. Let's go see. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making a simple basic circle for the head. Now, I have a cool fun fact for you as always. Saitama's name came from the province of which his creator lived in Japan. Awesome. Now below that circle we just made, we're going to begin to make the top of the cape. Now here's another cool fun fact. The reason Saitama is bald is because the creator believed that so many superheroes that were good looking had a whole bunch of hair, and he wanted to prove that the reason that superheroes weren't loved was not because of their looks, but because of their spirit. Awesome, that looks fantastic. Now for the next step, we're going to make almost a bubble letter T for the chest. Now coming down from the cape, we're going to begin to make the torso. Now so far we're doing very well. Now for the next step, we're going to begin to make the belt. Now once we completed our belt, the next step will be to move up to the face, and we're going to finish the face as well as make some ears. Wow, that looks so dope. Now we're going to move down below the left side of the cape, and we're going to begin to make the left arm as well as the left glove. Now once that is completed, we're going to do the same thing over on the right side. Whoa, now we're just over 3/4 of the way done. So now for the next step, we're going to begin to make the legs for One Punch Man. Now one of the last steps will be to make that really awesome cape that he has. Now lastly, I'm going to go over the body and I'm going to add a little bit of last finishing detail. Now I have one last cool fun fact for you. Do you know that One Punch Man got a 9.4 out of 10 star rating on IMDb? Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's go color in our One Punch Man together.